If you're trying to find your Namecheap Cpanel primary domain, this video will show you the quickest way to do it in just a few seconds. This is really helpful if you manage more than one website, if you just bought hosting, or if you want to double check which domain is connected to your cPanel account. If this guide helps you out, please hit like and subscribe for more simple software tutorials like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, log into your Namecheap Cpanel account. Once you're inside cPanel, look over to the right-hand side of the screen. On the right side menu, you'll see a section called General Information. This area gives you a summary of your hosting account details, and this is where Namecheap lists the main domain connected to the cPanel account. Under General Information, look for the field labeled Primary Domain. That is the main domain assigned to your cPanel, and that's the one you want to identify. If you've been searching through the different menus wondering where it is, this is the exact spot to check. There's no need to open extra tools, no need to dig through settings, and no need to contact support unless something looks incorrect. Just remember, the primary domain is shown on the right side under General Information. Once you find it, you're all set. That's how you find the Namecheap Cpanel primary domain quickly and easily. If this video helped, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.